If you sell a coaching for anything between $3,000 and $20,000, this is the funnel that you need to build. And it's quite straightforward. And I'm going to use Instagram for the example. And it all starts with the reels. You posted a reel, and in that reel, you need to tell people to book a call with you. But how are you going to do that? There are two ways. You could either tell them to send you a direct message or to click the link in your bio. After that, inside the direct messages or with the link, you're going to send them to a landing page. And in this landing page, you're going to have a video and of course, a call to action telling people to book a call with you. And finally, of course, you're going to have the Zoom call with the person. Now, you might be wondering what to say in the direct messages, what to say in the link, and of course, what to say in the video. So in the direct messages, what you're going to do is to qualify. And for that, people need to meet anything between 3 and 5 criteria points that let you know that they are fit for your service or your program. So let's say that you are a fitness influencer and you're looking to help people lose weight. What are the criteria that you need to take into consideration in order to figure out if this person is actually fit for your service? Well, the first one is to figure out if they want to either lose weight or increase muscle mass. If they want to increase muscle mass and you are a fat loss expert, you disqualify them right there. Because the service or the that you're providing to people is not about gaining muscle mass. It's about losing weight. Also, let's say that you're working with high-level executives and entrepreneurs, and that's one of your criteria, that these are high achievers. One of the questions that you can ask them is, what do you do for a living? If they tell you, I'm a full-time student, well, right there you can disqualify them. You see, so by deciding on these 3 to 5 criteria points, will let you know if these people are fit for your service. Then you can proceed to the next step, which actually is telling people, book a call with me by clicking this link. And the link, of course, will take them to the landing page where you'll have the video and the call to action. Now, about the links, before I get to this part. Whenever you post something, in the caption, tell people, link in bio, with a simple call to action. And the call to action is meant to target what exactly? It's meant to target one of the frustrations the person is feeling. That means that you could use multiple frustrations to craft different call to actions. So let's go back to the example of being the fitness influencer. As you know, entrepreneurs might struggle with stress and anxiety, with lack of sleep, with mental fog and fatigue. All because they're working 24/7 on growing their business, on finding ways to pay their employees, and handling all of the big responsibilities of being a high-performing person in the business. So your call to actions need to target these frustrations, these pains, and these desires that these entrepreneurs and high-performing individuals have. So for example, a call to action for these entrepreneurs could be, if you're constantly making big decisions, but you feel like you're struggling with mental clarity due to fatigue, then DM me the word fit. If you're looking to become healthier and leaner so that you can think better and perform better at what you do. Can you see how that works? So think about these frustrations your audience members have and your potential clients have, and craft different call to actions to target different specific needs that all converge and direct people to where? To your funnel. And that funnel leads people to where? To buying your service through a phone call. Now, you might be wondering, what the hell should I say on this part of the funnel, the video? Well, for that, you're going to do the following thing. In the description of this video, you're going to find the link. And in that link, I have a script that all you have to do is adapt a little bit and then record yourself reading the things that you have there. Once you're done, you're going to upload that to YouTube, put it on unlisted, and embed that video into the website. And today I can't show you how to embed it in the website, so I'll just assume that you already know. But anyhow, go to the description down below and download the script. So you can start recording this video that will help you generate more leads by building this super simple funnel where you're going to use your reels and your posts to direct people where? To your direct messages and to your link in bio. And of course, you're going to drive all of these people into that landing page where you're pitching a call with you. And at the end, of course, you're going to sell that service or coaching right here on a Zoom call. So that's all for this video. My name is Jose Ricardo Rosado. Be sure to like, share, and leave a comment down below. So follow along and see you in the next video.